Hey guys, I unboxed my GoPro Hero 7 Black and I wanted to start recording with it and I ran into some more issues. One of the issues was um, the update. The 1.161, I think it is, or 1.61. Um, I had the app on my phone and I wasn't able to get it to update. It said update failed. So when I tried to pair it, and so I did it several times, wasn't able to get it to update. Um, that happened, and now I can't get the 7 Black to turn on. The other concerning thing is it's warm to the touch. When I touch it, it feels warm, like there's something going on in there, probably draining the battery, but it won't turn on at all. Usually if you just press it one time, it'll come on. I even tried pressing the red button on top. It's still not on. Yes, the battery's in there. Um, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out the battery and pull that out. And go ahead and put it back in and see if that helps it. I don't know if it will or not, but oh, there it went. So now it's back on. Um, I don't know if you can see it, but the battery is low. It was completely full when I started, so it's been draining. Something in the battery has been draining. I wish I could show it to you, but I can't get it to focus. But so I'm going to try some other things on there. I'm going to try and update it again. I did read online, I don't know, online there is an update, format your SD card, but the only thing I noticed is this is an old one and this is for like a 5, but I feel like this is what I looked up. What do you do if your camera or Wi-Fi update fails? But see, this is for the 4, 3, so I don't know if these will actually work, but I'm thinking the concept might be right, where you have to reformat your SD card. So I might try and do that and see if that helps. But I don't know if it'll help yet. So I'll probably add to this video. This is still on, so it still made it on. But you can see the battery life is low. It was only like this for maybe 15 minutes, and it drained more than half the battery. So I'll keep you guys updated on what happens with this. Okay, so I took the SD card out of the GoPro and I plugged it in I used the adapter and plugged it into my laptop. Um, well, when I looked at the files on my laptop, I noticed that the dates on these, date modified 12/12 2018, 12/11 2018, I didn't have the Hero 7. So this was the same SD card I had in the GoPro 7 Silver. So I don't know if I updated it with the different files and maybe it corrupted or like had an issue with the black. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try and just deleting. Alright, so it's installing the update now. I got it all on there. Surprisingly, it only drained the battery 3% during that time. It's been maybe 3 minutes, 4 minutes, so that's not bad. I wish it could come in a little clearer. Maybe that'll help. Yeah, the battery's pretty dead. So let's see. So that, I'm assuming that means it's transferring the files over to the GoPro now, since it updated on the app. I don't know if it shut off to restart. Oh, it's still. I can't see it. There it is. So it's still. So it says it's reconnecting. I don't know why it needs to reconnect. Alright. So it said update complete. I don't know if you've seen that little thing there, but it said update complete. And it actually went up 1% in battery. That's odd. It was at 21 and it went up to 22. So I don't know what that did. I don't know if something in the update made it use less battery or something. I don't know. But that is it. I actually got it to update. So I hope this video helps you. If you have any questions or have any other comments you want to leave, please leave them in the comments below. And of course, like the video, subscribe if you want to see more videos from me, and thanks for watching.